What's up with my heart when it skips a beat? Can't feel no pavement right under my feet. I feel my lonely room when I'm dreaming of you. Oh, what can I do?
Sitting right here at that pivot area, support area right now, close to the pivot there on the ES. Right now we're at that 91.25. That was actually the low, I believe, of yesterday. We just pierced through that a bit to that 90.75. We're right there at that pivot. I'm actually looking at this 806.60 level as a possible entry here. I'm going to go ahead and go 2 here at 806.70, or let's see, 806.70. Looking for a little bit of a pop. Back off here up the support area. In terms of exits, I like where we'll move this target so a little bit closer to that next 5 line. Chances are we'll be in a little bit of a fight here. Like I said, we are at those lows from yesterday. Can bring our stop up to that 806.20. Would have been nice to see a better bar on this previous bar. But for right now, it looks like we're okay in terms of a bounce to give us a better idea of what we're going to be doing here. Now, if we look at this, obviously we have to get over that. Really, we're going to have to surpass this level, this 807.60 level. Close above that would be nice. Thinking about the possibility of letting go of one right now, letting the second one run. Let's see here. If we can get that 807 for one contract, 807. It's either going to be 60 or 50. Let's go ahead and inch our stop up one more tick to that 806.30. I want to see some follow through here on this bounce. No, nothing yet. We still have 2 on. Let's go ahead and take one off here at 808.30. And we can actually move our stop up to break even at this point. No use having it out. If we look at what's happening here, we got a fairly strong bounce off of that pivot level, as well as the support level, this 5 level here on the Russell. I'm looking at this in terms of resistance areas we're going to have to surpass. If y'all take a look at the ES, got a bar here at 850 and a bar here at 9. I'll go ahead and connect those highs. That'll give us an area to look at in terms of a possible resistance. Now, I'm not sold yet completely on this bounce, so let's be aware of that. If I were to move my stop up, I would move it to below this bar we're on right now, that 808.20. Let's see here. We're not getting that push yet up to that trend line yet on the ES. Sorry, let's go ahead and my mic was off. 808.80, lock in profits, sorry. Yeah, bring your stop up. Just not completely sold yet. We didn't have the oomph to get up to that trend line there on the ES. I'm not even sure if my mic was on for that. I had a trend line I drew in from 850 to 9, the 850 bar to the 9 bar, a 5-minute chart, just a kind of a micro trend line. We didn't really get that push up quite yet, so just looking at that in terms of locking in profits unless we can see that. I feel like we're in a good position here. The Russell's acting a little bit better than the ES, so chances are we'll see the Russell move before that, or at least at the same time. I don't know if we'll see. This is at this point, so I'm not too sure if we'll see that continue, but it's just what I've been seeing so far. Yeah, I thought about it, but not looking to. I don't think I've. Or we just got stopped out there. I don't think I've just flat out reversed the position in a long time. I normally just lock in, then reload, and figure out what I'm going to do from there. We're getting a little bit of pullback now. There on the ES. Just a slight pullback.
It's up in my heart when it skips a beat. Can't feel no